So guys, wow, I wasn't very prepared for that, and so I want to show you guys my avatar. I got this from Outrageous Builders Club, and I literally just bought it today, and I love this face. Looks so funny. Look. I don't know if I should wear that or this.
My game got disconnected, by the way.
Oh. My face looks so weird, Cameron. I wonder what will happen if I add this. I want to see what it looks like. I actually may have it like this. That actually looks pretty weird, but I actually like it. Cameron. He left. He's not with us anymore. I have these like weird shades, and I like these ones though. These ones I got for free for the Xbox, which is amazing. I'm like, yay! I didn't have to pay money that I paid. It's annoying, kind of. Ugh. So guys, cat alert. Oh my gosh, what do you want to play? Word mystery?
Well, why did you leave?
Because you left and I was changing my avatar. So I was getting bored. I'm sorry.
Well, I'm sorry if there's any background noise. By the way, guys, it's just brothers are annoying sometimes. So, guys, you entertain the magical peoples while I go grab something. I'll be right back.
Okay. Use my names in your title. Way to use the no you just do it just for all of yous. So sorry guys, I haven't been talking to you guys. Let's just look in the let's look in the catalog. I really want this really bad. Guys, you know what we're gonna do? You know what we're gonna do? We are going to do what we do best. Guys, and honestly, I don't know if this actually has better audio, but I hope it does. Because then I would just be talking into a microphone for nothing. Which would be sad. I want this. Let's hack Roblox. Let's inspect. No. Oh, wow. Guys, look what I'm doing. I'm hacking. I'm evil, Cameron. I'm hacking Roblox.
Okay, please join.
I'm gonna hack you, Roblox. I'm gonna hack you on Twitter.com tomorrow. I want to see if the bacon thing is still, if it's still the same price. They literally raised it up, Cameron. At least I got a picture of it. I can send it to you. I'm gonna put it on screen now. It's insane. And then look how much it is now. Cameron, it's literally almost 1,000 Robux now.
What was this video about?
Huh?
I forgot.
Honestly, I don't remember. It's just a random video. We can go like almost, what? Be a baby in Roblox. Wow. No.
Be a baby in Roblox?
It's a very... Guys, I'm
what
going to
do you wanna
change
do?
this name. I'm going to show them the game. Guys, there's a way if you join our game and give it a like, there's a way you can get the, not the Headless Horseman pack, but you will be able to not have a head, but only on our game. Ooh. Want to see how? You should have to join the game and like it and favorite it, and look what can happen to you. See how my head's gone? That's really good game, right? This is gonna be called biomes or something, or something like that. Mine was like biome fighters, but that's like You know what? You know what? I'm just not gonna swim. I'm gonna admin myself. Well, I'm already an admin, but fly me.
What do you want to play? You want to play a Halloween game to max like the year? Not
Sure.
the year, the month.
Yeah. It's a little confused what you meant for a second. Well, I knew what you meant, but
Let's search Halloween.
Smart Wharf.
Halloween.
Why? What's that say actually? Oh,
You want to play like a role-playing game and troll some people?
sure. And guys, we did not like create this from scratch. Obviously, we created the mountains and stuff from scratch, but like, guys, look away. I'm gonna censor that. I'm sorry. Did not want you guys to see me like this in Roblox. The wonderful world of Robloxia. I'm just kidding. It's like this
Okay,
little
so,
creepy, huh?
Jet wedged him.
Huh.
So, I want you to join me. We're gonna troll a
Oh
few
my gosh,
people.
I'm just not gonna censor it. Oh my gosh.
We can kidnap some people, Jet. We can kill.
Oh my gosh. No, I don't know. I almost died. Oh, this looks safe. Oh, what? It didn't kill me. This must kill me. What? How am I not dying? This is so prickly. How am I not dying? Okay, so I'll join you. I just want to show them our world. For some reason, Cameron, like how it made you naked that one time. It's doing that to me instead of morphing me into a ninja for some reason.
Go into first person so nobody sees it.
Oh, true. Oh, lag. So much lag. I did the fire thing that explodes and it kills you. Oh, I have a Dominus, guys. In this game, I have my Dominus on. It looks so funny.
Wow. In this game,